Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone 16 has reachability available and your passcode active. This prevents accidental access. Once done, open Settings, go to Accessibility, Touch, and toggle reachability on so the screen can slide down. Next, set a quick gesture, either the built-in bottom edge swipe or a sign back tap to reachability. You do this now because enabling the control first saves time when you practice the motion. Practice twice to lock muscle memory. You perform reachability by swiping down on the very bottom edge of the screen. If you chose back tap, double tap the back of the phone instead. Once the UI slides down, hold and tap icons or use one-handed typing without stretching. This keeps your thumb comfortable and prevents missteps. Make sure to move intentionally. The lowered UI times out and returns. Also, combine reachability with control-centered gestures for quick settings, because that reduces the number of large stretches you need. To finish, simply release and the display returns to normal height. That completes the typical reachability flow. If it doesn't respond, first verify accessibility touch reachability is still enabled and confirm your gesture assignment. Updating iOS can fix software glitches, so make sure your phone is current. If gestures still fail, restart or perform a hard reset. As a last resort, contact Apple support. Persistent touch issues may indicate a hardware problem requiring diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.